What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So this is just an update video. It's going to be pretty short. So me and Tiffany finally found a home and also a shop. So there's going to be a lot of things going on. So just a quick update for you guys. This is a pretty big shop. So my plan is to eventually install a lift. So right here, my plan is to put a 2-post lift, and then with this building being 20 feet tall, I don't know how bad the echo is going to be, but yeah, so it's 20 feet tall. So right here, roughly, is where I'm gonna build like another level or a second level, and that's gonna be my YouTube studio. But yeah, that's the plan. This is gonna be where my mechanic videos are gonna be produced in the future. So this building obviously is already fully powered. It's on a separate meter from the house. Yeah, so I'm gonna build either this side or that side. I'm not sure, but it's gonna be, a bunch of shelf or toolbox running along here. And then second level, YouTube studio on top. This building is fully insulated, but I am planning to do air conditioning and heat. So install like a mini split or something in the future. But yeah, that's what we've been up to. It's been a long journey going through the closing procedure and all that, with the bank. So I haven't been, I've been tied up doing that and haven't had time to do any YouTube video. But yeah, so this building is has 4-inch thick concrete, so it's the minimum for a lift. So I can put a lift in here. It has, yeah, so it's already got electricity run to it. It's on a separate meter. This building right here, that's a pole barn. You can fit like 7 or so cars in there. Also has a wash bay. So yeah, look forward to the videos on that. I'm gonna install like a pressure washer on like a rail in a wash bay, and that's the water. So the house itself is on city water, and then the building back here, this property also has a well on it. So the wash bay and stuff is going to be on a well. And disregard that, there's a lot of mosquitoes over here, so I have a mosquito trap going on right now to kill as much mosquitoes as I can. But this property is on 5 acres, so it goes actually pretty far back. And here, back there, we're gonna clear it. Clear most of just clear the smaller trees. The big stuff, I'm gonna leave, like this one. I'm gonna leave that. It's just so we have shade back here. But yeah, we're gonna do, in the future, I want to do like aquaponics system and things like that. So look for those videos. And yeah, we got plenty of land on this property to do whatever we want. So that's just a quick update, what I've been up to. So appreciate you guys watching. See you guys again next time.